Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
General Shabane is just like, you know what? Oh, killings. Everyone was at that house, at Makomalo's house, must just be arrested. Although he didn't put it that way, but it's more like how we've been saying, but it's more like, can all of them start talking? And it's going to happen, guys. And again, just still think they're going to get away with it and think the mayor don't matter, or sense of mayor for that matter, it doesn't matter. They're going to start singing like canaries very soon. Mark my words. Thing that Balui is doing, busy denying General Shabane opportunity to speak is not right. As stop. You've already given your evidence in chief. Really? It's wrong. In any case, General Shabane told Ubaloyi Esgaboko, what listen here? You are a liar, a fabricator, and a disgrace of a prosecutor. I was just like, oh my word. Ubaba, uyamutshela where to get off. Ubaloyi. And Ubaloyi was just like trashing this guy. Hey, he didn't care. He was just like, Lalel, can you just give me a chance to speak? You never gave me a chance to take out everything when we're in the same office. You actually came to my office. I'm like, Ubaloyi, God, Mkulugudu of Mkulugudus. Fabricating, cooking, and manufacturing. Labafuna late Tulani Ngoma Zulu to tell them he is the only one who used to even stand up for himself as giving insurance. No, my lord, no. Longwe is the one that actually shot Senzo. That's my lord. Really? These arguments that Ubalo is having with General Shaban, General Shaban is not trying to fight with Ubalo. He's just telling him, listen here, I'm not going to be in your corner. This is how you treated me. This is how I feel, and this is how I thought about this case at the time. You guys wanted me to lie. I'm not going to be in your corner. You're digressing. Actually, I'm going to be leading the process. I'm like, that's control now. That's like crazy. Why are you doing that? Yamkhumbula mangena athi Ubaloyi, it's mangena. Umnisi was just like yamkhumbula lo muntu. And these things are still not, they're still very shaky. His evidence actually is still very shaky. You come and ask Shabane about Mangen. You can't do that, bro. Look, what are you even doing? Stop. Ubaloyi. And Yamkhumbula mangena. Bosom friends with Brigadier Bongani Gininde. They twisted things there, the bullets and everything there at the Khumalo house. You remember? It was a revolver, man, 79 minutes. Oh my gosh, like, it's a lot. Ubaloyi usho ngomlomo wakho ukuthi uShadrack Sibiya did come to the house at the Khumalos. But you remember uShadrack Sibiya, because he's rogue, that guy. He said at ad hoc committee, no, I came at 11 at the hospital. To do what? Because Senzo was long gone by the time. And Shadrack is the same person that actually did come to the house at the crime scene and told people to Shadrack Sibiya bakohlakele, guys. No Brigadier Gininde. And don't go to futhi Brigadier Gininde and no Shadrack. They have a connection through O'Sullivan. O'Sullivan Gutwa Uyena, who actually told Shadrack no more kupulelo abe brigadier. Guys, it's so wrong in so many ways, this thing. Ngapha uZungu went to cry to Lishabane and said to General Lishabane, abantu ba dangerous Gabi, and also mina I was forced to lie. Imagine. uZungu, I'm sure even now he fears for his life wherever he is.
Yingakho ngabiza-ke yena uSibiya kanye naye-ke uMakhubu, ngoba ngifuna-ke ukuthi-ke uGwabeni lona-ke akhulumeke ngokukhululekile.
That was my reason why I called also General Sibiya. Ingakho futhi-ke ngabiza naye uGeneral Sibiya ngaleso sikhathi leso. And I explained my lord to say, Zungu, be free and fair. This man is no longer working in the police. Ingakho futhi ngakusho ngachaza kuyena-ke uZungu ukuthi-ke kuyacela ukhululeke ngoba-ke umlisa lona-ke akaselona iphoyisa. Even if it's what I told you, Advocate Baloyi, that even if you can call General Sibiya now, it will tell you that now I never said that maybe he's still in the police and it's a general thing.
Ingakho-ke nakuwe ngasho-ke futhi ukuthi-ke nanoma-ke ungabiza yena-ke uGeneral Sibiya ukuthi angeke asho yini ukuthi ngasho yini-ke ukuthi-ke akasesilona iphoyisa noma usewaphuma-ke emaphoyiseni.
Advocate Baloyi, you were very angry. You didn't want to listen to me.
Wawucasuke uganqonwabu-ke Advocate Baloyi awuzange ufune ukungilalela.
General, you testify that Warrant Officer Makubu, when Constable Zungu mentioned the name of Nkani, Warrant Officer Makubu had reservations. He said he arrested Nkani and can't be involved.
That is what he said,
as he was in prison.
It's what he said, my lord.
Utheke uma ukhuluma-ke ngalolu daba lolu-ke ngesikhathi uConstable Zungu esho igama likaNkani ukuthi-ke kwaba uWarrant Officer Makubu othi cha akwazi-ke ukuthi-ke kungaba uyena ngoba-ke uyena owambopha nokuthi-ke wayesejele ngaleso sikhathi. Yebo yiloko akusho uMakubu Nkosi enkantolo.
So it can only relate to the date of the incident, the 26th of October 2014.
I cannot comment on that. I don't know.
Lokho kusho ukuthi-ke leyo nkulumo leyo-ke manje isingakhuluma-ke noma-ke isho-ke ilanga leli lokwenzeka kwesigameko i-26 ka-October 2014 angeke ngisho lokho Nkosi enkantolo.
Constable Zungu was talking about the incident involving Mr. Senzo Meiwa. Is that correct?
Yes, man.
Kodwa-ke uConstable Zungu ngesikhathi wayekhuluma-ke ngesigameko esasihlanganisa-ke umnumzana uSenzo Meiwa. Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
That was on the 26th of October 2014.
I was not there, my lord.
Lokho kwakunge-26 ka-October 2014 ngangingekho lapho Nkosi enkantolo.
General, you recall that when you testified, in evidence in chief, you testified that after Constable Zungu related his version, Warrant Officer Makubu took a docket.
Yes, my lord.
And he showed Constable Zungu a photo, and he said it was a docket in another case.
I don't say in another case. I say showed him the docket, the photo. He said, this man, I know him very well. And he don't think he can be part of these people because he was in prison. It's what Makubu said. And that's what annoyed Zungu.
Utheke uma ngabe ukhuluma ngalo lo daba lolu-ke general wathi-ke uma uConstable Zungu ekhuluma-ke ngayo-ke uNkani yilapho khona-ke uWarrant Officer Makubu wakhipha idokodo lelinye icala wase emkhombisa isithombe cha angishongo-ke ukuthi kwakuyidokodo lelinye icala kodwa njengakusho ukuthi wamkhombisa isithombe wathi-ke cha lona-ke umuntu akwazi ukuthi kungaba uyena ngoba-ke wayesejele yilokho-ke okwacasula uConstable Zungu.
General, the point that you are making is that you're contradicting yourself. You initially said Warrant Officer Makubu took out a docket from another case and showed a photo to Constable Zungu, but you subsequently said that he took out the current docket for Flores Cas 636-10 of 2014.
Esikhulumayo sorry general. Esikhulumayo noma sikushoyo la kuwena-ke general ukuthi manje usukhuluma lokhu uphinde futhi uyiphikise wena kusho kunye eqaleni uthe uma ngabe ukhuluma uthe uWarrant Officer Makubu wakhipha idokodo lelinye icala manje uma sewuphinde ukhuluma manje uthi kwakuyidokodo laleli icala uFoster's case 636. Sorry.
Yeah, my lord, I thought it is the case involving Senzo Meiwa. But what I can say is that, let me correct that to say, he took out that picture from the docket, but I cannot confirm whether it was that one of Senzo Meiwa or the other case. I only saw him showing him the photo, my lord.
mina-ke engangicabanga ukuthi-ke wayemkhombisa-ke idokodo lalo icala leli-ke angeke ngisho-ke manje-ke noma ngiqinisekise-ke ukuthi kwakuyileli noma elinye icala-ke angikulungise-ke lokho ukuthi mina-ke ngangicabanga ukuthi kwakuyidokodo lalo-ke icala leli kodwa engikwaziyo ukuthi-ke wamkhombisa isithombe.
So when you initially said he took out a docket from another case and showed him the photo, you were incorrect. You are not certain.
It's a mistake. I was not certain, but it was even the issue is that he took out from the docket, my lord. And again, my lord, that during that time, he said, even if I don't agree, but I'm going to. Yeah, he said, even if I don't agree with you, Zungu, but because I'm an investigator, we are going to do the investigation. But please, it's a must that we must get Gwabini to make a breakthrough. But he said he's prepared to work with him.
Engakwaziyo-ke lana noma-ke kuloko okushilo-ke general ingabe-ke wenze iphutha ngasho-ke noma-ke ngakulungisa-ke lokho noma ngithi-ke ilona-ke iphutha kodwa-ke okwashiwo kuyena uMakhubo ekusho kuyena-ke uConstable Zungu ukuthi-ke Zungu nanoma-ke ngingavumelani nawe kodwa-ke sisengaqhubeka-ke senze uphenyo noma sisebenze ndawonye kodwa-ke ukuthi-ke icala leli-ke lixazululeke kuzofanele ukuthi-ke simthole uGwabeni.
And that's where he said, even if you're saying that, I will not give you the details of Gwabini because he will be killed and I will be killed, meaning himself.
Ilapho asho khona-ke ukuthi-ke manje-ke kulokho angeke ngikunikeze imininingwane yakhe uGwabeni ngoba-ke uzobulawa nami futhi-ke ngizobulawa.
But he said he's prepared to work with him.
Kodwa washo ukuthi-ke wayeyimisele ukuthi-ke asebenze naye.
That was the last resolution when we left.
Kwakugcina-ke lokho okwashiwo ngaphambi kokuthi-ke sihambe.
And he left with Makhubo, I was left with General Sibiya.
Wahamba-ke nihamba noMakhubo mina ngasala no-General Sibiya.
But how could General, in all fairness, how could Constable Zungu be expected to work with someone who was of the view that there were no intruders